Memo kwa Adom TV, Badwam Dwumadi eso. Yada se papa health tips no na wotwe mu nkoma yedie no menstrual disorders inti wadaro mochena kan ye ho ne ebiebie mu akosi se fiada ebeba. Adwada ba bia yada awrade ase. Enkwane ahoden ya wode Adom ye. Enen so C4C Homeopathic Hospital. Dr. Penny ewa ha. Ne yaba bedi nkomo ahye C4C Homeopathy enro ene afoforo no edie no. Ensonso ya eno so ewo mu. Dr. George Siama Jr. emu akwa be. Na bibi aboko de.
Yankopa Adom.
Ede nyame ase ahofe no a.
Dase.
Na dwuma mboko nso. Ekoyie de. Apomuden pepeja no mu ho. Mo wadaro ma week yi anase nadwe. O se ye kasafa C4C Homeopathy nro ene afoforo edie ho. Homeopathy na ankasa no. No eye de hia.
Yo. Sister me dase bebre. Yaka homeopathy na derived from a Greek word. Na a trace similarities. Okay, similarities in suffering or similar suffering. Intina break it down. I can say adia yo no say bia utina paiwa. Homeopathy ndrono account system na etimi mati pai no kosro kakra. Ansana gradually no amano abaform. And the history of homeopathy, who say one big physician, I friend Samuel Hahnemann, or in the late 18th century, or some research be, and who say quinine, etimiki or malaria, and then busy on that research, nana, Odinya homeopathy. It's called the father of homeopathy. And homeopathy basically a similar suffering, and that is how yetiminya and draw. You believe say our body nankasa our way of fighting. Anytime be a baby mononti, we only energize the organs and strengthen organs so that they will be able to fight it. Now response now immune system to it. Basically that is what.
Nti mo produce homeopathy no Ghana.
That's a very good question, sister. Homeopathy in drone, I stand to be corrected. In producer or Ghana. It is based in especially in European countries and India and a producer. But Obi baby say what about sometimes we call hospitalized here prepare with drama. These are we have electro homeopathy, and with electro homeopathy a bit different from the homeopathy itself, because you share electro homeopathy it basically relying on the 19th century where a man or a doctor by name Mater or also so in the research now or they produce that into homeopathy in Rodie Ghana had the minimum be or producing homeopathy in Roninina no a idea or cra a free Europe and India. Yes, and yet idea you produce I have passed through series of process because I had natural extraction. Any chemical composition be a cinnamon energize organs, it has to pass through some special process and Ghana and
we quite the basis we negative effect be away home.
Homeopathy research I might say any negative effect, but it will be your friend amelioration and now say aggravation. Aggravation, just say, BBA cause system, because I had the same condition who drawn or the mount into it me cano, a man basro. And when people might confuse that a side effect. So now body immune system. And your immune system, homeopathy, your friend the vital force. Until I was say or stimulate and also Kenya immune system. Until yes, I know, immune also respond by saying, say, one hour bar now say be free when until we only responded to that and amount symptoms no more, and that is not a side effect, that is a healing process or pass it through until breaking it down. It has a principle I find that like cures like, and as a Greek more mechanic similia similibus characters. Now just say like yours like idea cause a problem and one at the best.
Homeopathy no quick. I was me yaria me baho ebe pebi.
Yes, me da say yeah mpembebre no any chemical composition wo muninti look to do natural healing inti eya wo hia botre kakra na ye nipadua no ye cells ni special tissues we nipadua over your kidneys I want be to say nephron eno na ebomu ama itimi kidney ni ye ejuma nti homeopathy ndro no kokenya is a nephron no mana ye ejuma say your liver hepatocyte so ho ebe kenya na ye ejuma nti nya ade a ekohye no gidigidi na ewie ekire a esan de how foforo aba nipadua nti natural yes but you guys is slow by sure and until na dey bia ka say homeopathy ndro kan system na free yare no kwa mabio because organ are strong enough and research some you say enu no ma anaye maame mo num homeopathy ndro bebre no they look much younger because a wow body no na air healing no anye ndro nti is not dependent for life yes
I see nti C4C ndro no mo na moye na kire de we adwama so
yes me da say ndro no C4C ye de composition na ko
okay
nti ye kire say e bia bryonia ye penedestrant chelidonium ye penedestrant these are homeopathic remedies nti ye peno composition say ni ye peno based on your client and then your basic research ayaye na ye de ko then it's prepared for us nti yendro no ye completely different currently in Ghana yenkwana yendro no branded in that way nti ubenya yendro no ye branches nkwa sibiti say Livoton it comes in syrup Ferrofort it comes in syrup your tablets or your drops are be go consumer and also ebeko system mu na you move from the normal every 5 minutes every 30 minutes every 1 hour no the complaint was ebia obey meeting then sometimes untumi follow hourly no and bebre no so wie sa na opese or backdate dia wentimi anye ni nyina na onnom and homeopathy is another principle the law of minimum to find kakra itimi eye adwuma ni but ofane bebre na abuse no ha nti no na C4C a strengthen mu nti you will be say Livoton na very good for the liver cure all liver composition and problem be about 500 functions BP4 to ho enya only for hypertension but to blood vessel disease aneurysm be ani nyina no ebeboa na cure arsenic a boost to immune system it comes in drops nti there are various type of medications so what kidney problem kra no enya afi na 5 10 20 minutes it just give you once a day twice a day in form of tablet na one obi in tablet no so kra no mfa nsuo no because we believe in succussion and potentialization the make nyina say nsuo no dose wa u dilute edro no nti sometimes tablet would do enum sa na anane we are debi anani we are now for 5 minutes time one nsuo na circulate your system nti are very simple and easy to take and also much effective twice a day 3 times a day and as any doctor ebesi achiro no and it has varieties of conditions the condition bia no you will enroll specifically for that yes I bet me
no so be a tablet
yes
maybe in syrup no
yes
I see nti yes someone na mo kire Ghana your condition e wo mo de amon o ma yeso aduro
yes yeah ti so wonya C4C aduro a obohun say C4C label da ho and it's only in our branches onye bi or drugstore baby because sometimes you know this duplication system na fe brand no na aduro na nkasa na ho ode no esesa nti only our branches now.
Adom me numbers ne.
Yes, nti say obi biara oti anope so what condition bia doctor to din achro say acute and chronic me say ade afi na ahase ana ba ya cha stress say obetu anamo no aba C4C Homeopathic Hospital na yeso ye de natural homeopathic remedy a ye di ho nkomo anope a hwe owidi en mu na ya hwe de ekoso de bia me kasa oba ye be baseline investigation na ma ahwe organs ne hu de ekoso ansa na ye hu edura e betimi e de aba utie ya enduro no so edos nti bebi a wo bia no embre nti ofre number we ya meboa with direction na mchihye bia ho no so ye no wedi nkomo number ofre C4C Homeopathic Hospital-Badwam is 050 0040 and answer 050 0040 050 0040 and answer 050 0040 C4C Homeopathic Hospital ya jiendo ni di ya treatment plans ni di into the BIASMA ya can say once treated forever treated and pay ya do be
yes yeah that's papa Dr. George Siama junior C4C Homeopathic Hospital na yete nka free ye no ne nkomo wo ho pa timini dog awie ne sa no ye beto aso director mo ha na de yadu so no mo wodum tuni kese ba ko ha oguso asesem na brabo mu mene no di nkomo sesi ni nyina ya hosepe na nam di wura mu no mayehwe video clip yi mra ne ba obehu nipa me kana se